सर किसे बेहतर कप्तान मानते हैं, धोनी को या विराट को? क्योंकि विराट अभी नया न्यू कॉमर्स है, कई बार ऐसे सवाल उठे हैं विराट को लेकर।
बाप को बाप रहने दो, बेटा को बेटा रहने दो। एक दिन यकीनन एक दिन बेटा बाप बन जाएगा, लेकिन आज जो बाप है उसको बाप ही रहने दो, बेटे के साथ कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहिए।
आपने वर्ल्ड कप जिताया था जी, धोनी भारतीय क्रिकेट में कहां था?
आई थिंक उससे बड़ा क्रिकेटर ही नहीं आया जो उसने देश के लिए किया। आई थिंक हैट्स ऑफ टू
MSD। अच्छा, उस आदमी को लाना मेरे लिए ड्रीम है। MS धोनी, लाइक ही इज प्रॉब्ली द ओनली गाय। अगर वो रिटायर हो गए तो फिर क्रिकेट खत्म। लाइक सेम हैपेंड व्हेन द्रविड़, सचिन, सहवाग रिटायर। जैसे जैसे वो तीनों रिटायर होते गए मेरा इंटरेस्ट खत्म हुआ था क्रिकेट। धोनी तो ऑफ कोर्स फॉर मी ही इज लाइक अ डिफरेंट लीग ऑल टुगेदर, क्योंकि व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड वाचिंग हिम ऐसा क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता था कोई। ऐसे कौन पेलता है किसी को? वो 183 वाला जो इनिंग साउंड था वो देख के मैं पागल हो गया। व्हेन यू प्लेइंग फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स, थोड़ा टुक टुक आएगा, थोड़ा प्रेशर आएगा। एंटायर कंट्री, आप ये सोचो वर्ल्ड कप में सब आउट हो गए, स्टिल वी आर होपिंग टू विन बिकॉज वी नो ही इज देयर। वो आने वाला है अभी, तो अभी भी सब होप है कि चल अभी है, अभी धोनी बचा हुआ है। तो दैट थिंग वंस ही रिटायर्स, फिनिश। वो होप आई थिंक मेरी तो चली जाएगी, मैं तो देखना ही छोड़ूंगा।
Role model, do you think there's somebody else also like you who remains calm, who you really look up to?
I mean, see, the whole India knows MS Dhoni is the one who is been like that, and I think it's been born, and again it has helped him to make such good decisions on the field, and now you see he's the most successful Indian captain, having all 3 ICC trophies with him, and many IPL titles as well. So it's the best captain India has seen. So obviously there is a reason behind it, and that reason to be is him being calm and composed under the situation, pressure situation. I have seen him handle a lot of younger bowlers when they get under pressure. He just goes around and puts his arm around their neck and talks to them about what he needs to do and what not. And
funny. No, I would play MS Dhoni in my team every day of every year. He can be 80 in a wheelchair, he can play for my team. He's fantastic. I mean, look at his record. You want to drop a guy like that? You can go ahead. I mean, by all means. I wouldn't.
Club game or an international game, you need runs next to your name to gain confidence. So from that point of view, I think as a team we are very happy, but more than anything he must be very happy and very pleased that he's amongst the runs and he's feeling confident about his game again, which is very important for a batsman. So look, many things happen on the outside, people say a lot of things, but as an individual we know that there's been no one more committed to Indian cricket than MS Dhoni, and I think people should let him have his space, and because he's contributed so much for the nation, they should just let him figure out things on his own about his game and what he needs to do. I mean, he's been one of the most intelligent cricketers. He's not someone who's not aware what needs to be done. So as a team we are totally in sync and very happy with what he's doing, and we're all very happy for him.
Dhoni is like the mega star in the movies. You can't be the mega star all your life, but Dhoni is now playing those wonderful character roles, those very strong, powerful character roles in the movies. The hero's role or the lead role may be played by Kohli, but he's still playing those powerful character roles, and I thought that was what we saw today. He brought a calmness to the situation. What I enjoyed the most was to see how the jugalbandi between Dhoni and Kohli worked, because Kohli realized, I need to give Dhoni a few overs here. And so straight away in the 32nd, 33rd over, he took on Behrendorff, he hit him for a 6, then he hit Nathan Lyon for a 6, And in doing so, he gave Dhoni the time that he needed, and then Dhoni gave him that investment with wonderful return by finishing off the game for him. I thought even Dinesh Karthik took the pressure off Dhoni, because I think the plan was Dhoni will be batting at the end, and so someone has to take a chance. Dinesh Karthik did that well, and Kohli did that magnificently. What a 100.
For being there in the final scene, Dhoni putting his hand in the air.
Retirement is a personal call. Having said that, how do you see MS Dhoni?
He's been an absolute champion in Indian cricket. You won't get another MS Dhoni very, very soon. And what he does with whether he wants to play, whether he doesn't want to play, it's up.
हमको सिर्फ एक ही खिलाड़ी है जो मैं हमेशा चाहूंगी मेरी टीम में हो, पर वो कभी नहीं होगी, और वो है धोनी। क्योंकि मैं धोनी की जब आईपीएल शुरू हुआ तब मैं उनकी फैन नहीं थी, पर ये 10 सालों में जो मैंने उनको देखा है, समझा है, उनको बहुत एडमायर करती हूँ मैं। लास्ट ईयर सबने कहा था कि धोनी को नहीं खेलना चाहिए, और धोनी, और इस साल देखो, सो ही इज अनबिलीवेबल। एंड आई थिंक जब कोई इंसान एक मुकाम पे पहुंच जाता है, आई थिंक इट्स अनफेयर एट एवरी स्टेप टू चैलेंज देम or who they are. He doesn't need to tell people who he is. He is Dhoni. So I really admire him, क्योंकि वो देश के कप्तान भी रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने बहुत ज़बरदस्त कप्तानी की। उनके अंडर इंडिया काफ़ी जीती है। उनको अगर आप ग्राउंड पे भी देखो तो वो एकदम काम और कलेक्टेड रहते हैं। हार में भी ग्रेसफुल रहते हैं, जीत में तो ऑब्वियसली ही इज अमेजिंग। सो धोनी।
I'll tell you what I know about MS Dhoni. He's 37 years old. He's running between wickets. He's elite. His fitness is elite at 37 years old. And we'll be talking about that in our change room tonight. If MS Dhoni can come out here and run between wickets like that and wicket keep for 50 overs, that's the level that the whole world should be aspiring to, and certainly what we'll be aspiring to. I mean, for him to run between the wickets like he did for 3 days in a row, it was 40 degrees the other day too, and to play like he has, you know, that's why he's a superstar of the game, and that's what all our players the Australians should be aspiring to be, superstars of the game. They've got the opportunity when they play international cricket,